Hello students, my name is Dr. Cynthia Eyre and I'm really excited to be your instructor for Introduction to Human Biology. I've taught this course a number of times and I've been teaching at Fresno City for about 7 years now. I teach this class. I also teach biology for non-majors. I teach horticulture and I teach human anatomy. So I feel very comfortable with this material even though I'm a plant person, and I studied plants and diseases of plants when I was in college. But I'm very happy to be teaching Introduction to Human. It's probably one of my favorite things to teach. This semester course will be a little bit different because we won't be doing the hands-on lab. And I've got some ways around that, and it's gonna be okay, and we're going to have a lot of extra outside material that will help you get that 3D idea of the models. So usually in lab we will be seeing models, we will be doing blood typing and some other hands-on labs. Some of those you'll be able to do at home, and I'll walk you through those. So we'll be meeting once a day, 4 days a week. And we do have some extra hours there too. So I am really excited about this. I enjoy teaching. I live in Clovis. I like to garden. And I've got a cat. All right. I will see you soon in lecture.